What's up guys, this is Millspec for about 4 years. Everybody knows me as Preacher guys. So a little bit of new content for the channel is this. Let's welcome our 2007 CRF250R guys. So we're going to go through this bike, we're going to do some brakes, do all of that things there guys. We're going to just take apart the carburetor because she's overfueling, as you can see there. So going to take apart the carburetor, rebuild the carburetor guys, and then we're going to get this bike ready to hit the tracks on Sunday. So this coming Sunday we're going to take this bike onto the tracks just to see what she's like on the track and so on. I used to only race 2-strokes, but let's see how this 254-stroke handles. Let's go, stay tuned guys. And like that, we're just going to start taking off all of the panels here. We're going to take off the back subframe so we can get to the carburetor. As you can see, she's throwing a lot of fuel. So this bike is old, she's not new, it's a 2007. So there is some stuff that we'll have to do to get this bike back to its former glory. I'm thinking just to get a chain and stuff for the weekend. Look at all of that there. We just picked it up this weekend, took it for a few wheelies in the street. But now she's at the shop guys, so we're going to take this bike apart, just go through everything and see what we can do. Let's go guys. And like that, rear subframe's off. We're just going to loosen the shock right over here. Move this one back. As you can see how wet that carb is inside there guys. There's something very wrong inside there, so we need to get that carb out so that we can check what's going on there. But yeah guys, very quick to take the back subframe off. Just strip this bike down to bare bones, get everything sorted, get this carb sorted. Let's go. Okay guys, and like that, as you can see the carb is out, but this carb is really not very happy. It's soaking wet inside. Look at that there. She's just throwing petrol everywhere. Also very wet inside there, so obviously there's something not happy here with this carburetor. And we'll just get it cleaned, put in some new jets everywhere, make sure she's happy again, because this thing's just pouring petrol guys. Doesn't matter which way, you just tilt it a little bit and she's pouring petrol out. So yeah, let's get that sorted guys. As you can see, carburetor's disassembled completely. This thing is effed up guys. Look at the jets in there. If it just wants to focus, look at that. They stripped the jets inside. This carburetor, sure, this thing is in a bad condition. Look how dirty everything is. So yeah, those jets are stripped inside the bowl there. I'm gonna have to try and get them out somehow. So this will need a complete rebuild kit guys. This carb is bad, as you can see. So yeah, let's get this carb sorted. I just ordered a rebuild kit for the carb now. No wonder this thing is leaking everywhere and so on. So we'll get that rebuilt. And then this is stripped off completely, as you guys can see here. Everything's open. Just want to get a spark plug, service kit, get some new antifreeze going, get all of that sorted. We'll bleed the brakes. Just want to get a new back tire quickly as well. Front tire is still fine, but I want to get a new back tire for the weekend. When I get this bled, when I get everything sorted there, just check the bearings everywhere here. Yeah, this bike hasn't been maintained the way it's supposed to, but just stay tuned to this video and let's rebuild that carb. This here guys is why some people shouldn't have off-roads. So yeah, I've got the jets out at least, so you can just get a full rebuild kit for this carb, get this thing back up and running. Yeah, so she should be hitting the track this weekend. Okay, so we have stumbled upon something new that we'll have to attend to, is this. The play in those bearings are absolutely too much. That's why it's got a bit of a noise at the top here. But those bearings are just spinning loosely. So I'll have to get this cam out, reset the timing, get these bearings. That seems like it's way too much. But as you can see here in the cam lobes, that the bearings have spun. Don't know if you'll be able to see there. As you can see, those bearings have been turning inside there. So yeah, it might be time just to get that sorted out as well, so that everything is sorted. That's something unfortunate now, but yeah, some progress is getting made here on the CRF. So I've got the cover off at the side here. So we're going to get a new timing chain and everything. As you can see, everything in the bike still looks fairly new. There's no particles, anything in the filter down there. Everything still looks very good on the bike. As well as this side, the clutch also looks like they've redone it. You can check the clutch plates, they all still look very good. So yeah, we're going to get most of everything stripped off here. I'm considering to take the motor out, just get the frame completely washed and clean, get everything, you know, back to its former glory. Get the forks out in front to do that center bearing over there. So yeah, as soon as I'm done with this bike, she'll be hitting marketplace for somebody to enjoy. But yeah guys, we are busy sorting out everything, all of the parts packed nicely over here. The cylinder still looks very good. There's no scorching or anything in the cylinder, that still looks very nice. My biggest concern is just this, yeah, just the bearings, but they don't even have a little bit of play or anything in them. So I'm trying to figure out what's going on here. But yeah, we are getting there. Guys, it's a new day. So we're gonna get these already prepped, scuffed nicely. Just gonna get them looking new again. As you can see, they're scratched so bad, so we're just going to hit them with a nice little black paint. And then there's a few things on the bike as well that we need to get painted and stripped off. Like all of this needs to come off, the shocks need to come out, get the frame cleaned up. Got some stuff for that. So yeah, stay tuned. Let's get this bike nice and clean, get all of the rest of the stuff sorted, you know, like all of this here, get that all cleaned up nicely. Get this bike looking new again. That guys, a fresh coat of gloss black on there. As you can see, came out very nice. Leave that to dry while we just sort out some other things. Guys, back wheel's off. Most of all the stuff in front is off. Now I just going to take off the swing arm. We can take off the swing arm, take out the back shock, and then just remove the motor so we can get this frame and everything completely polished up and cleaned and get everything looking 100% new again. As you can see, all the parts here guys, like everything is packed out, everything, completely rebuilding this motorcycle. Like that guys, let's say the rear shock and everything is out. Now I'm just going to take out the swing arm and then remove the motor completely from the frame so that we can get this complete frame polished up, cleaned up, looking new again. Same with the swing arm there at the back, and then all of the parts on the floor and everything. Yeah, it's been quite a journey, a lot of work to strip this bike down to bare metal. All of the parts there for the motor already ordered, waiting for that to arrive, and then we should get this baby back on the street or off-road. Let's go. Like that guys, there's the motor, it's out over there. The swing arm, there's the frame. So now the actual work can begin guys. Everything's stripped, packed nicely, so that we can get everything cleaned and washed and prepped and spray painted. Get this old gold looking brand new again guys. As you can see, all of this years and years of dirt everywhere. We're gonna get that all cleaned, flipping polished, made nice, so that this bike can hit the track again and look absolutely beautiful. Guys, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching the video. Guys, just subscribe to our channel. I know this is mostly cars and 4x4s, but we are going to do a lot of these bikes now guys. So if you're interested in content like this, how to rebuild these motorcycles and everything, just hit subscribe, hit the like button, stay tuned to the channel. Let's go. Okay guys, so this is our specially formulated aluminium cleaner. As you can see, like let's say before, let's get the bike back on the side. As you can see in there, how everything looked there, and then how everything looked on this side, right, compared to this. This is just one time, just not even scrubbing, just using a little paintbrush there, but look at the difference. So our aluminium cleaner is very strong guys. So let's get the rest of this frame sorted out with this stuff, see how she turns out. Let's go. Guys, the swing arm has been cleaned up, frame has been cleaned up. That just doesn't want to come off, doesn't matter what I do. But as you can see, our aluminium cleaner is insane. Looks like a new frame guys. This aluminium cleaner that we've got is absolutely mental. It's something else. But guys, yeah, so that's the frame done there. Gonna get the swing arm prepped now for spray painting. Gonna get that spray painted. These came out beautifully with all their scratches and everything. That came out super nice. So yeah guys, let's get that swing arm prepped and let's get that thing painted. That guys, the first coat of gloss black is done. Absolutely beautiful. Just have to do the other side as well, but damn. That guys, a bit of a secondary wash. As you can see, we just did all over again with the bike. So she came out super clean. Basically looks like a new frame again guys. That's insane. Guys, just a bit of an update here on the CRF. So we're just doing a bit of a wiring. Look, all of this, all insulation tape and everything came off. So we're just using some sprag like that, just to, you know, get the wires all back and tucked nicely. Make sure all of the plugs and connectors, there's no shorts on the wiring. Make sure all of the wires are still fine. We're just tucking everything, putting new insulation tape, getting the sprag on there, and then we'll get this harness looking beautiful again. That, guys, there's the harness completely rebuilt with sprag, everything neat and nice and tucked. So this can all go back in the motorcycle soon. We're just waiting for some parts, and then yeah, that's one part done. Let's go. Some progress is getting made, guys. The shocks are back in front now. We'll just get the rest of the stuff sorted. As you can see, we backed out everything nicely over here. All of the parts that are washed and cleaned and ready for installation is backed over here. So that's going to be insane to get this bike built this weekend, guys. So stay tuned to the video if you've watched this far. Thank you so much for all of your guys' support. Just leave a thumbs up, leave a comment what you guys think we should build next. Another new day, guys, on the CRF build. So we just got those painted up a bit. We've got this over here, got the suspension in there, got the handlebars on. Right, so then now we're just going to finish waiting for some parts for the motor, so we can finish the top end and the bottom end. So that's done. Got the tires over there, waiting for some parts for that, and then all of the painted parts over there. As you guys saw yesterday that we finished the harnesses. There's the one, we rebuilt that complete harness over there, and this one over here, as you can see. Just made all of that nice again. Just waiting for a new tensioner and the chain. So once that's here, we'll get the motor built and reassembled. Waiting for a new rear plastic for there, waiting for a new air filter, and all of the decal, all of the new decal that we've ordered. So yeah, guys, we are making some progress on the bike. Everything is taking time, obviously, whilst we wait for parts. Just not the state. You don't just go online and get whatever you need. It takes some time in South Africa, guys. But after this, I'll be sharing the clip of the guys that's rebuilding the carburetor for me, doing a full restoration on the carburetor, new jetting, new bowl, everything like that. They'll be sharing the video. So after this video here, you guys will just stay tuned, check their shop out, check how they work. Let's go. Morning, guys, it's a new day. As you can see, the motor is in there, swing arm is on, forks are on. Just waiting for some parts to arrive today so that we can finish up with all of this, get all of this sorted, get the top back on, all of the gaskets and everything. But we are installing what we can for now, guys. The swing arm, we're going to do the shock and the bottom link there for the suspension, get all of that sorted, and then let's go. That, guys, some progress has been made. Got the radiators in there, just waiting for the parts. It's going to go there now on the motor. Everything there will be sorted. Swing arm is in, the rear linkage is in, so most of all of that is done. Got the rims blacked out, they look awesome. So yeah, we're just waiting for the motor part, which will be here in the next hour or so. And then we've got the new rear cover there from Polysport, the new rear fender, or plastic as they call it. That's there now. So once everything comes now for the motor, we can clearly assemble the motor, get all of that sorted. We're just waiting for the two new rear tires and the carburetor. So we're just going to do the motor, get the motor built, and then we'll get the two rear tires, the two tires set up for the rear and the front. Then we can get those on, but we are making good progress now. Okay, guys, the motor parts have arrived, new tensioner, front brake pads, timing chain, and the gasket set, guys. So we can actually now just get this motor built. Yeah, so stay tuned, let's get this motor assembled. Guys, and like that, the timing has been set in. You can see the lines line up nicely. And then if you move over to this side of the motorbike, and you put your eyes in there, you'll see that the dot there and on the casing also lines up. So everything is on, covers are on. Now I just want to build over the magneto. Just going to take the magneto quickly and rebuild it into that cover over there, so that that's in there, and then we'll get the tappet cover on. That is a motor done. She's assembled, the timing is perfect, everything is sorted. I'm just waiting for some other stuff here now. Then I'm going to close up here, and then yeah, guys, almost can't recognize this bike. She came out beautiful. I mean, look at that black on silver, it looks amazing. I'm very excited to get this thing running. What's up, guys? It's another day. It's actually Saturday. Look at that, getting some fairings on there, did a bit of a trimming there, just to get it looking a bit newer. Because there's no flipping aftermarket parts for this bike. But yeah, we ordered a bunch of stuff from the United States, which we're waiting to get here. We are still waiting for the tires. When I get the tires and everything on there, we're still waiting for the carburetor. But we did finish up with the magneto side here. Got that engine looking super neat, super clean, really getting there now. Shit, the bike is definitely starting to take shape now. Look at that, looking beautiful. Can't wait to just get this thing started and just hit the track a little bit. Like that, guys, a new Monday morning, bright and early. Guys, we just received our tires, front and rear. Got brand new tires, nice, sticky, hard compound. Yeah, you can see, well, soft compound for a little bit of enduro on this bike. But the tires just came here, the rims are finished. We are just waiting for the carburetor now. Everything else is here. We'll be getting these tires on the rims with quite a little bit of a struggle, I think. I bought some tire levers and everything on the weekend. But yeah, we need to get these tires on, get everything on the bike, get this bike sorted so that we can hit the tracks this weekend, because obviously last weekend didn't work out. That, guys, after about a flippin' hour trying to get that rim on there, a few scratches later, the tire is on. Flippin' out, what a mission that was now. But yeah, did make a few scratches here and there. This side is alright, but on the other side there's a few scratches over there. But yeah, that's the back tire on. She's starting to look really good now. Now it's just the front tire quickly, and then we just wait for the carb. Like that, guys. Front rim is on with a new tire, back rim is on with a new tire. Some minor scratches here and there, guys, but yeah, there's nothing that you'll be able to do about that. These wheels are going to get scuffed up the first weekend I go out on the track with this thing, just to get it tested, make sure everything's perfect, and then let this bike hit marketplace. But she looks freaking amazing. Look at the new tires. This looks absolutely stunning, guys. That's a sight for sore eyes now. Like that, guys, as you can see, carburetor just came back looking flippin' brand new. Big shout out to Wicked Ride, guys. They are absolutely incredible. Look at this thing. This thing looks like it looks like it just came out of the factory. Brand new. Guys, let's install this, get this bike started. Let's see what's up. Let's go. And like that, guys, she is finished. Just waiting for the decal, just waiting for well, I've got the classics and everything, just waiting for the decal. But she's done, guys. She's starting, she's driving, everything's perfect. Just need to do some small adjustments here and there on the carb. But she is perfect, guys. She is flipping happy like a chappy, guys. I'm super excited, waiting for the rest of the stuff that I imported for the bike. And then, yeah, stay tuned. Let's go. Came quickly, gave it a one kick, start, idles, 100%. Just waiting for the decal now, guys. Then she's done. Gonna hit the trail this weekend with the bike and see how everything goes. She came out so nice. Look at that. So good here. Wasn't like that. All the decal just arrived. Swing arm sticker, all of the number plates, everything. Look how beautiful that came out. Super excited to get this on the bike now. Damn, it's gonna look amazing. Like that, guys, decal is on, bike is done, completely finished from front to rear. Everything done. Decal came out very nice. Look at that. That looks very awesome. All of the stuff there on the swing arm, and then here on the sides as well. Guys, she came out looking beautiful. Honestly excited for first bike rebuild in so many years. I think she came out absolutely beautiful, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think, and stay tuned if you want to see this thing rip. Okay, guys, so after the rebuild, this is how she came out, looking absolutely beautiful with the new decal and everything on. Bike's ice cold, as you can see, touching everywhere here. Guys, let's see how she starts.